In the ever-evolving realm of cloud computing, the competition between two industry titans, AWS and Azure, continues to intensify. The burning question that perplexes business owners and decision makers alike is which cloud service is the perfect fit for your business. This crucial decision holds the power to shape the very foundation of your organization's digital infrastructure, making it imperative to embark on a thorough evaluation process. As you navigate the intricate landscape of cloud services, a myriad of factors come into play, encompassing technical requirements, scalability needs, cost considerations, and even the existing technology ecosystem within your business. Today, we will talk about AWS versus Azure, which cloud service is right for your business. Amazon Web Services, a good choice for cloud computing. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, was started in 2006 and has since become by far the most popular cloud infrastructure service in the world, 44.2% of the infrastructure. A service business was theirs, and each year, their sales keep going up. Due to its size and long history in cloud services, AWS offers a wide range of services at a variety of prices so that many businesses can get good value for their money. They offer services like data analytics, computing, Internet of Things integration, virtual reality development, robots, and machine learning, just to name a few. Compared to Microsoft Azure, they have a few more ways to pay for their services. If you pay in advance for either 1 year or 3 years, Microsoft Azure will give you a discount. AWS also gives savings to people who pay in advance for 1 or 3 years, but they can choose between making a partial payment up front and continuing to pay each month. Because the costs of things like power, real estate, and server cooling systems fluctuate frequently, it's crucial to realize that the specific prices for these services alter as well. Amazon Web Services is based on Linux Red Hat operating systems, so it can work with many different kinds of computers and operating systems. This can be a strength or a weakness, as we're about to see. Even though AWS is a giant in many ways, it can't compete with Azure. Microsoft Azure, often the better choice for business. Even though Azure's market share isn't as big as AWS, it's still a very powerful platform. Even though this is a small number, it is interesting to note that 90% of Fortune 500 companies use Azure. It looks like one of the best choices for the most successful companies in the world. Even though that might seem scary, there are many times when your small or medium-sized business should choose Microsoft Azure. Let's start by talking about mixed cloud systems. A hybrid cloud system is a computing infrastructure that uses some kind of interface between public cloud services like AWS or Azure, a private cloud architecture, and physical, on-premises computing hardware. There's a good reason why hybrid clouds are so popular. Public cloud services like AWS and Azure are great for outsourcing computing and data analytics, among other things. With these services, it can be challenging to configure your personal data exactly how you want it. Private clouds and data centers can help with this. If you have a private cloud or your own servers, your developer can set up the infrastructure in any way they want to meet any data goal for your company. Why Azure is a better choice than AWS? Here, we can start to see how useful Microsoft Azure can be. When it comes to connecting to a private cloud or data center, Azure is thought to be much better than AWS. Developers can make hybrid apps that use resources from both a data center or private cloud and Microsoft Azure. It's easy to run these apps. With AWS, this ability to easily connect is very limited. Microsoft Azure's price and functionality dominance in companies that mostly use Microsoft products is another big benefit. In fact, using Microsoft Azure will be about 80% cheaper than using a If your office is full of PCs with Windows operating systems and Microsoft database setups, this shows us 2 ways in which Microsoft Azure is a much better choice for your business than AWS. Businesses who use hybrid cloud infrastructures and rely significantly on Microsoft software should strongly consider adopting Microsoft Azure as their cloud platform of choice. Azure presents an integrated functionality interface between on-premises infrastructure and Azure services thanks to its robust support for hybrid cloud deployments. In addition, Azure's tight interaction with Windows operating systems and other applications developed by Microsoft, as well as its alignment with the larger Microsoft ecosystem, ensures that its performance, compatibility, and management are optimal. Businesses are able to construct and deploy applications quickly and effectively by utilizing Azure's developer tools and services, and they are also able to take advantage of cost optimization options such as Azure Hybrid Benefit. Azure and AWS are both very powerful tools that can help you take your business to the next level. However, it's important to know that each has its own benefits and uses that make it the better choice for a certain business. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.